Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our Mathematics 3. Our topic for today, area of a rectangle in square meters or centimeters square. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning, Math Explorers. I'm so excited to see all of your bright faces today. Put on your thinking caps and grab your magic pencils because today we aren't just doing math. We are becoming number detectives. Let's review. Small. Its length 1 centimeter. Width of a finger. 1 centimeter squared is the size of a fingernail. For big, 1 meter. Width of your arm span. 1 meter squared, a giant floor tile. Lesson purpose intention. To find the area of rectangles and squares in square meter. Lesson language practice. Centimeter, a short unit of length. Square centimeter, a small square where every side is 1 centimeter long. 1 cm, a single unit of length. 1 centimeter squared, a shape used to measure small areas. Meter, a longer unit of length. Square meter, a large square where every side is 1 meter long. 1 meter square, a giant square shape used to measure large areas like a room. Meter stick, a long ruler that is exactly 1 meter long. Square, a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Rectangle, a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners where the opposite sides are equal. Length, how long something is. Width, how wide something is. The straight line that makes the edge of a shape. Area, the total space inside a flat shape. Reading the key ideas then. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to find the area of a rectangle in square meters. Developing understanding of the key ideas then. The area of the 1 centimeter square is 1 centimeter squared. Class, look at this square. What is the length of its side? This is a 1 centimeter square. Each side is 1 centimeter long. The length of the sides of a 1 centimeter square is 1 cm. All sides are 1 cm. This large square is called a 1 meter square. What do you think is the length of its sides? This is a 1 meter square. Each side is 1 meter long. The length of the sides of the 1 meter square is 1 meter. The 1 meter square has an area of 1 meter square. All sides are 1 meter. This is a 1 meter square. Each side is 1 meter long. The length of the sides of the 1 meter square is 1 meter. All sides are 1 meter. The 1 meter square more than a line. A square with a 1 meter side has an area of 1 meter squared. 1 meter squared, a square meter is a unit for measuring area. Meter squared, In symbol, it is written as M superscript 2. Its uses for floors of our houses, for measuring farmland, measuring classrooms, measuring corridors, and others. A square meter is also a unit for measuring area in symbol. It is written as M2. We use square meters to measure the area of large surfaces like the floor of our houses, farmland, rooms, corridors, and others. Can we also use square centimeters to find the area of these large surfaces places? Yes, we can. We can also use square centimeters, but it would be difficult to imagine because a square centimeter is very small for large areas. A square meter is more appropriate for these areas. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Identify places with rectangular shapes within the school, such as part of the school corridor, empty rooms, small playgrounds, and others, where learners can measure the area in square meters. Ensure you put markers to guide learners to the places to measure. Also, measure the area of these marked places in square meters beforehand for your guidance. Here are the example answer. Which place did you measure? The learners were going to give you the place assigned to them. How did you measure the area of the place assigned to you? We used the 1 meter square sheet of paper several times to cover the given area and counted the number of sheets needed. We measured the length and the width of the place and used the formula. For those who use the 1 meter square sheet, how did you do it? We traced the 1 meter square sheets on the surface and counted the square sheets needed to cover the area. For those who use the meter stick, how did you do it? We measured the length and width of the surface, then we used the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. What is the area of the place assigned to you? The answer will depend on the area of the places assigned to each learners. Making generalization and abstraction. What is the other unit for area measurement aside from square centimeters? Aside from square centimeters, an area can also be measured in square meters. How do you find the area of a rectangle? To find the area of a rectangle, multiply its length by its width. Evaluating learning. Find the area of the following rectangles. The teacher will going to give enough time for his or her pupils, students, to answer the following activity. Here are the correct answers. For number 1, 8 meters squared, number 2, 24 meters squared, number 3, 15 meters squared, number 4, 4 meters squared, and number 5, 30 meters squared.